Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare cucumber curry. So let's get started with the recipe. So at first I'm using a refined oil, white oil for this. I'm giving near about 1.5 teaspoon of refined oil into this, and the oil gets properly heated up. Okay guys, so now it's time to put kalonji. This is kalonji, so I'm going to use half a teaspoon of kalonji into this. Half teaspoon of ginger paste, and into this I'm going to put this square cut shape cucumber into this, and we'll just give a good mix like this. It's very simple, and cucumber itself a very healthy, which contains enough water into it, and it really acts great in wet loose. So just have this sabzi with the dal and rice, it will be really yum. So now I'm going to put into this half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and to put salt according to taste, and now it's time to add, just for taste, I'm giving half a teaspoon of sugar. It's optional. And here I have this green chilies, so I'm going to put this green chilies into it, and I'm going to mix it. After mixing this, just close the lid for 5 to 6 minutes in medium flame. Let's see, yeah, it's almost done. Now I'm just going to plate it. After plating, I will show you how it's going to. Our Kheera ki Sabji or cucumber curry recipe, and in Bengali we say Sosar Torkari, is ready to serve. I'm just serving this with this masoor mango dal. It's very healthy. If you want to see this recipe, then please comment in the comment section below so that I can show this recipe with you all. And this is just rice, so I'm having this for lunch. The recipe is very healthy here, and it's apt for summer. So if you like this Kheera Sabji recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to come with another new summer special recipe which will be very light and it will be very healthy too. So guys, I'm going to come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.